Piece of shit.
This is Kevin. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hi, what are you up to? Kind of like a brunch date. Do you like coffee? Yeah, I guess. Am I guilty?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, Kevin, so how was today?
It's fun.
My name is Kevin, I'm 26, and I'm actually a new graduate physician assistant. I'm looking to work in possibly ortho. I want to get myself out there and meet new people. It just feels like they may not be interested in talking to you. You might be, bothering them.
Any last word before we start?
I guess I would say let's become that social animal today, guys. Hi, excuse me. Hi, excuse me. Hi, I just noticed you right now, and I thought I really liked your outfit. I was wondering what your name is. Are you from around here?
No.
Oh, okay. What are you up to?
I'm just meeting some friends.
Oh, really? Kind of like a brunch date or something like that?
Yeah, I've been.
Oh, cool. Is there? Oh yeah. Well, nice meeting you. Yeah. Have a good one. Oh, a little nerve-wracking still. I thought she was cute, and I just wanted to say hi.
You're very cautious,
Yeah.
Try to talk to people like you already know them. You were like, oh, are you from around here? There is so much in the present moment,
Exactly.
Are you from around here? It's kind of irrelevant, it's kind of like, that doesn't really, who cares, right? Just relax, try to take the moment slowly, take it easy, second by second. And, but good that you went.
Thanks,
First
man.
one of the day, so let's keep going.
Get it going. Hi there, excuse me. Hi, I just noticed you, and I thought you were very attractive, and I just wanted to come say hi. Sorry. Yeah, what are you up to?
I'm just shopping.
Oh, you're shopping? Shit, what are your stores? Where do you like to go? No way. You have a second? It's cool if I just, say what's up. You kind of just heading anywhere?
I'm trying to just get some things done before
Oh,
I go
okay.
to work.
Are you Christmas shopping by any chance? Maybe last minute gifts?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. For like who?
My roommate.
Oh, really? What do they like?
I don't know, anything.
What's on your mind right now? Like maybe you can pass it by me and I'll see what I think.
I don't know, but I'm kind of in a rush.
Oh, okay, yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
I just wanted, I thought you were really attractive.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. What was your name, by the way? Yeah, have a good one. Good luck shopping. Do you like that better? Is that a little bit better? So guys,
No, that was not better.
that was worse. No. Shit. Damn it. I tried taking Ruben's advice and just forgetting about, any pre-selected lines. Just try to stay present. Like, what is she up to? Is she shopping? Who's she shopping for?
So I think you got tense at two moments when you asked her if you can have a few seconds.
Yeah.
That's when you were like, what's on your mind, What's on your mind? Like, what an intrusive question. Like, who the fuck are you? Kim Jong-un? Like, what's in your mind? Like,
Yeah.
people have many things in their minds. It felt like...
a little tense.
It felt like you were like, really like holding on to the moment.
Hi there, excuse me? Hi, I just noticed your outfit and I thought it looked really nice. I was wondering what your name is.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Oh yeah. What are you up to?
Grabbing coffee for my husband and I.
Oh, okay, cool. You have fun.
Thank you.
You were like, oh, I just saw you. I was wondering what your name is.
Yeah.
Is that really what you were wondering? I don't think so.
No,
I
I was
called
trying to
bullshit on
ice
that.
break it. Okay, that's BS.
So, yeah, like obviously you didn't.
I was trying to break the ice, but irrelevant.
But
Alright,
okay,
facts.
it's okay. Just slow down. Slow down.
Slow down.
And it's gonna be okay.
They're pretty hot. Just like a group of three. Oh hell no. Fuck no. Bro, three? Fuck. No way. We can work our way up there.
It's fun.
We can work our way up there,
You'll
guys.
feel like a baller regardless.
I'll probably feel like a baller.
So look, there are
But-
three people there. They're
Nah.
just casually walking. It's Sunday.
Yeah.
Weather is nice. You're just gonna walk up there, tell the one who you like that you find her cute, see what they're up to, have a casual conversation, and then come back. That's it. It's easy. It's easy, bro.
I can't. We'll work our way
You
up
can,
there.
bro. You can.
No,
You
I
have-
can't.
look,
Three
look,
girls.
look.
I just don't even think I could do. I wouldn't know how to start it. Like, how to even open it. Like, hey, I think the one in the middle is cute.
Yeah, you say, hey girls, you look at the one you like. I think you're very pretty. What are you guys doing? Literally just say that. This is it. This is why we're here. Okay, go for it. Go for it.
Ah, shit. Okay.
Go for it.
No, I
Go
can't,
for it,
man.
go for
I can't. Nah, dude. We're gonna have to work up towards it, man.
Bro.
We're gonna have to work up
They're
towards
just people.
it.
No, it's this moment. This moment is very important now.
Three. This one's pretty important. All right, I'll trust you. Hey guys. Hi. Sorry, I just noticed y'all, and I was wondering what y'all up to. I thought you were very attractive. Group of women. Are you guys like homies or something?
Cool. All right. My name's Kevin, by the way.
Kevin?
Yeah, Kevin. Are you guys related?
We're twins. We're twins.
Oh shit, you guys are twins? That's cool. So you guys like best friends since you're kind of like twins?
Yeah.
That's cool. Nice. I have a little brother. He's 2 years younger. He's not my twin, of course, but he's like effectively like my best friend. Kind of like my. You guys Christmas shopping today?
Yeah. Just
Oh shit. That's cool. So I'll just catch you with my friend. He's kind of like busy in the area, so I want to show him around a little bit. He's somewhere around. Yeah. Yeah, I lost him a little bit. But anyways, I don't really want to take too much of your time. I thought you were very attractive. It's cool if I maybe get your number. We can get coffee. Oh shit. No worries. So you guys, oh, are you single? Maybe we could get like coffee or something sometime. Do you like coffee? Oh, sometime if you're free. I do have to like catch up with my friend. Cool. Yeah. I'll go ahead and grab your number and we'll arrange that. There you go. Yeah, but nice to meet you guys. I'll send you a text, okay? Cool. You guys have fun. Have a good one. Bye, guys. What's up, guys?
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Damn. Hey, you know what, Ruben? Damn, that was way more chill than I thought.
It's always way more chill than you think. It's all in your head. It's all in your head.
I'll give you that. I was definitely in my head.
I had some feedback, but honestly, I forgot that. So
I feel like I'm really happy that overall, I just felt like I was having fun during the conversation, you know, saying silly stuff. And, you know, they were into it. I was into it. So it was great. I liked it. Thanks, brother. Hi there. Hi. Excuse me? Hi. Hi. I was wondering what your name is. Hi, sorry, I just noticed you. I really just thought you seemed like a cool, attractive person, and I was just coming up wondering what you're listening to.
What I'm listening to?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's on your playlist?
I have like Lana Del Rey.
Oh, Lana Del Rey?
I like her.
She's cool. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really listen to her that much, but I know who you're talking about.
Yeah,
She's
that's
pretty good.
Are you from here?
No, I'm just visiting. So one of my good friends is in the area, so I kind of wanted to, you know, hang out with him and explore a little bit.
Now you're like exploring alone?
No, he's around here too. I kind of just lost him. I'll probably find him. Yeah, I get it. This is a better situation. What are you up to?
I'm just sitting here.
Oh yeah.
I actually have to leave in 2 days.
Oh yeah, you have a little bit of accent. Where you?
From Germany.
You're from Germany?
Yeah. How
Damn.
about you?
I'm from around here, kind of like a little bit east, just like maybe an hour east. But yeah, sometimes I come out here. So you're just kind of hanging out?
Yeah, I'm
Cool.
just like trying to.
What brought you up? Oh yeah, it's a nice one. What brought you out here in the first place?
Like LA.
Yeah.
I have a boyfriend here.
Oh shit, cool. So you kind of just like visit.
Yeah, it's like my.
Well, I hope you enjoy your stay. It's nice meeting you. I know you have a boyfriend, but maybe if we could like just follow each other on Instagram. Down?
Sure,
Cool.
okay.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Are you gonna move here?
I really like it here, but so I'm actually applying to jobs right now, and I just got a cool like orthopedic surgery job out towards like the desert. It's like a couple hours away, but hey, you know, it's a driving distance to, you know, come visit the area. Yeah, what do you do, by the way?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, you like teaching? Like what grade? What's your name, by the way? Cool, my name's Kevin. Kevin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're good friends. All right, cool. Nice meeting you. Yeah. All right, keep in touch. Yeah, you have a good day too. It was cool. I feel like that was a very relaxed conversation. A little bit more relaxed. and
Yeah.
That's something I liked about it. I think your feedback is gonna be try to relax a little bit more, because I was still just a teeny bit edgy, I thought.
Yeah, I feel like in the beginning, like
a little
you're so
tense,
cautious,
a little
and
bit too
forget
much.
about I was wondering. You're not wondering
Uh-huh.
anything. You just want to meet her.
That's
it.
right. That's
Stop
right.
saying,
yeah.
"Oh, I was wondering what's your fucking sign." Like, I should.
Hey there. Hi, what's up?
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Cool. I actually just noticed you. I was walking around. I thought you seemed pretty cool, attractive. I wanted to come say hi. What you
Hi.
up to?
I'm actually about to go to a nail appointment.
A what?
A nail appointment.
Oh, a nail appointment.
Yeah,
Okay, getting
yeah.
done. What color are you doing?
I'm gonna go winter. I'm gonna go like
Okay.
red or green.
Well, I'm
I
taking a
think.
seat. What do you mean by winter?
Like red or green.
Oh, like white or green? So kind
Yeah.
of like Christmas season-y?
Christmassy, yeah,
Oh, there you
exactly.
go.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So you have like a little bit of an accent. Where are you from?
London.
Oh, you're from London. Oh,
Are you
nice.
from out here?
Yeah, I'm from around here. Just kind of busy in the area.
Nice. Have you always lived here?
Yeah, my whole life. So kind of grew up around here. It's nice. Are you visiting like family or something?
No, I live here now.
Oh, you live here now. That's exciting.
Moved over like 6 months.
So you just like to come out here, enjoy the view.
Yeah, well, the weather's not the same back home, so I like to just sit and take some sun in as
Oh
I
yeah?
can.
What do you mean by that? Is it like very
Rainy, it's like snowing at the
rainy?
moment. So
You're more of like a sunny kind of gal?
yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
cool.
which is why I moved over here. Like the weather's
Uh-huh.
very nice, so I thought, yeah, let's go get some sunshine. But
There
yeah.
you go. There you go. I'm a summer baby, so I definitely like the summer too. But you know, one thing I like about the winter is like dressing for it for some
winter,
reason.
right?
Yeah, it's
Right.
fun.
Because it's too hot here all the time, I suppose.
Yeah, it gets pretty hot. What do you like to do around here, by the way? Like besides kind of hanging out?
I'm figuring that out. Like I
Mm-hmm.
don't know too many people around here, so yeah, I'm back and forth between here and New York quite often. So
Oh, really?
yeah, just figuring that out.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I definitely like doing different sorts of things like dancing or maybe just going to bars. Maybe I could get your contact sometime. Maybe just stay
I actually
connected.
have a boyfriend, so it's probably not the right.
Oh
thing to do.
shit! No worries. Maybe we could connect on Instagram and just stay in
Yeah,
touch.
sure.
That's cool. Sounds good. Yeah, your accent's very cool.
Thank you.
Do you find Americans have like an accent too when you get
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Oh man.
yeah.
Am I guilty?
Yeah.
Oh shit! No. Okay, let's see.
Thanks.
Yeah, but that was cool meeting you.
You
You
too.
have an awesome
a great
day. Yeah.
Have
See
a
you.
great day. See you later.
See you later. Yeah, she's a cool gal.
The beginning
Talk
was
to
much
her.
better. Like,
Yeah, I try to stay away from those words like, oh, excuse me, or sorry to bother you. So, yeah, hopefully we're making some progress. Hey there. Hi, what's up? I just saw you earlier, like right now. I just noticed you from over there. I saw your outfit, I was like, wow, she looks really gorgeous.
Oh,
So I actually just want to come over and say what's up.
thank you.
What are you up to?
Oh, just shopping.
Oh, you're shopping?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you shopping for?
My friend's going away, so.
Oh, kind of like a little going away gift?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like you kind of have a sense of style.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'd say I have like a little bit of a sense of style. What do you think?
Yeah,
Do you
I
think
so.
maybe
Yeah, for
I
sure.
got, something going?
Yeah, you got it.
That's what's up. So you're from around here?
Yeah.
Cool, cool. What do you do, by the way?
I'm a nanny.
Oh, you're a nanny.
Yeah.
That's cool. It sounds like a chill job. I'm kind of like in medicine. It's,
nice.
it's fun. Yeah, it's cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, so right now, I'm like debating. I'm kind of torn. I don't know if I want to work with like kids or in surgery. So that's kind of what I'm figuring out. Yeah, what are like some of your interests? Like,
I
what do you-
mean, yeah. I'm working on my master's in public health.
Oh shit, so you got something going on. That's cool. Well, anyways, I'm not too familiar with the area, but if you're down, it would be pretty cool to get coffee sometime.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do
you have
it.
Instagram?
I don't, but let's just go ahead and do your number real quick, okay? Cool, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I really like your style, by the way. That's
Thank
cool.
you.
I'm a big shoe guy, honestly. I just got these like military boots. They're not really Doc Martens, but kind of similar. I
that's
like
cool.
those a lot. What's your name again, by the way? Kevin.
Yeah, nice
Yeah,
to
really
meet
nice to meet you.
you.
Do coffee
Thanks.
sometime.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Yeah.
Good one. That was epic, man. That was epic.
how was that
That
for
was
you?
pretty cool. That was a movie. Oh my god. I just see like this woman like walking down like she owns the place, and I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna talk to that girl? But you just gotta trust yourself.
Boom.
Yeah. I felt like a little bit anxious still, and I was kind of like pressure speaking just a tad bit. And if I would have maybe like, just relaxed a little bit again and let the conversation flow,
Yeah.
it would have been a little bit of a better encounter. Not to say I didn't think it was a bad encounter.
Yeah, it was good, but that is also is to show that nothing has to be perfect. And,
That's right, yeah.
Boom, baller.
Keep at it. People aren't as scary as they seem when you first see them, in public or wherever you are. Once you approach them or just say hello, they really genuinely are. For the most part, everyone's just very nice,
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Last comment, I guess I challenge you to also take on a challenge and become that social animal, because you never know what you run into.
Okay. Any last word?
That's it. It's been